All right, it's Brian and Tim here with Fiesel. We're doing a repair attempt today, February 16th, 2023 at Nikhil Raikar's home, 65 degrees outside. We are on a slope right now that was already approved by Hell, and we're gonna do a repair attempt. As you can see, we have marked on this slope, the front slope, any shingles that are going to need manipulation while we do the repair attempt over here. As you see, the one that's approved is already tied in. It's woven in to this front slope. So what we're gonna do is do a repair attempt to check to make sure that the shingle is pliable for repair before we attempt it. Before we do the whole entire thing. So, all right, you ready?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using a typical flat bar and a hammer. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick a shingle here that's tied into the woven valley. And I'm going to attempt to release this shingle and see if I can remove the nails and look at the, again, as Brian said, the pliability of this shingle and whether it is repairable. So I'm going to do my best to release this without damaging it. Tell sealed down pretty well. My concern is that we're going to start to get material transfer at the very least. Material transfer is the transferring of the asphalt and adhesive from the lower shingle to the upper shingle. If that occurs, that causes that shingle to be damaged. And my concern is that if we get the mat transfer, which we are, that mat transfer is going to carry over or cascade over when we manipulate these shingles, and it's just a cascading effect. So I do have this shingle released. As you can see, this shingle is woven into this valley, so that's going to require manipulation of these shingles just to get this shingle actually out. What I'm trying to do is release this shingle, so I'm going to release the shingles above it so I can get to the nails. And again, we'll monitor the damage as we it's a warm day, so they should be releasing. Yeah, they're adhered pretty well to the shingle below. I'm going to try to get this one to release. I can see delamination occurring. Delamination is when these shingles become dislodged from the shingle below. That's also a fail, as these shingles are now compromised. As you can see, that's delamination, which causes that shingle to be repaired if we were only trying to replace this. But I'm trying to see, even just get to the nails. And as you can see, we've got a tear on this shingle. I'm just trying to get to the nails. There's a delamination on this shingle. We're getting material transfer. There's material transfer on both shingles. We'll probably have to take photos of that to send you. I'm going to attempt now to remove the nail. And it actually tore through the shingle, trying to remove the nail. And again, now that's caused that delamination and actually tearing of that shingle. I'm trying to be as easy as possible. As you can see, it's just going to be a cascading problem. That one's delaminated, that's delaminated, that's delaminated. we've got tearing, we've got the delamination, we've got material transfer, we've got a nail pull through, we've got a tear just in one shingle. We're going to stop the video at this point. We'll take photos of what we've documented in this video, and we'll include everything in our report.